Okay, so welcome back, gentlemen. Today we will be studying about algebraic expression, which is chapter 9 in CBSE class 8. Okay, so basic introduction of this chapter 9. We'll go for it. See, this algebraic expression consists of a word algebra. And algebra is what? Mathematical operators. Involvement of mathematical operators in different type of expressions is called an algebra. Mathematical operator in sense of plus, minus, multiplication, division, all this comes under mathematical operators. Okay, so the same we are going to discuss now. So we are already aware of the numbers, and numbers are simple numerical figures. It includes negative numbers also, means all integers we can say. All integers are coming under the category of numbers. Okay, it's not that only natural number, or it's not that only positive number, negative number. So all you can say integers are called as numbers. So that numbers can be represented on a number line. Okay, that we have already seen in our previous videos. So algebraic expression is an expression, mathematical expression, which consists of variables and numbers also, which are called as constants. So there will be a variable compulsorily in an algebraic expression. Only a number will not be called as an algebraic expression. The number will be number only. But when we go for an algebraic expression, compulsorily we have to involve a variable. Variable means what? For which value is not fixed. Okay, but a constant number is there for which value is fixed. So in an expression, if we are having some x or y or z or x, y, y, z, like this, whatever we have seen in polynomial, so those all coming under the category of variables. Okay, so that part only we are going to change, and we are going to see, and that only it is there. Like example, I have given x plus 4, that has become one expression. Then y is equal to y itself is an expression. 4xy, 5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, 6x square y plus z. Like this it will be there. So this expression can be also be represented on a number line, of course. These expressions, especially linear expressions, can be expressed on a number line. And number line means in coordinate geometry we can show in almost all type of equations. It's not difficult. Okay. Now, in terms of polynomial, when we are coming, we are categorizing that polynomial or algebraic expression under different categories. So if the expression consists of only one term, that is called monomial. Okay, so one term is 4x, 5x, y, z, 4. So like this type of terms are called as monomial, consisting of only one terms. Binomial, which will be consisting of two terms. Okay, so 4x plus y, 5x plus 6z, 4xy plus 4z. So like this it consists of maximum two terms only. Okay, one variable and one numerical figure. But 5 plus 4, if we are writing, it is not consisting of two terms, because 5 plus 4 will become 9. So it will be a monomial only. Okay, so it must consist of one variable. Similarly, trinomial, if there are three terms. Okay, 4x plus y plus z, like this. So these type of expressions are called as trinomial, consisting of three terms, including constants. Then if more than three polynomial, we are simply saying it as polynomial. Okay, so we are simply saying it as polynomial, and which will be consisting of many terms. More than three terms we are generally categorizing under the category of polynomials. Okay, now in that polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial, we do have three things. One is called variables, another one is called coefficients, and one is called constants. So that part we need to understand completely. So one expression I have given here, like 4x plus y plus 2z plus 3. So this is the expression. In this expression, you can see that 4x consists of, first term is 4x. So in that x is variable, y is variable, z is variable. So any type of alphabetical constants or alphabetical figures are there, alphabets are there, then that will become variable. Okay, because for that value is not fixed. Now 4, which is along with the variable x, it is called coefficient of x. Okay, sometimes it will be called as numerical coefficient of x, or it will be called as simply coefficient of x. Similarly for z, 2 has become coefficient of z, and y, 1 is there, because 1 is 1 into 1 into y will be equal to y only. So y, for y coefficient will be 1. And 3 will be called as constant. Okay, so 3 will be called as constant. So similarly we can write coefficient of y is equal to 1, coefficient of z is equal to 2, and coefficient of w, suppose it is given that coefficient of w, so w is nowhere in this expression. So we can say that coefficient of w is equal to 0, which is not involved here. It means its coefficient will be 0 only. Okay, so 0 into w will become 0. So coefficient of w is 0, coefficient of a is 0, coefficient of b is 0, because that is not involved in this particular expression. Okay, right? So very nice. So these terms we have already seen now. Okay, and we have already discussed about algebraic expression. In second part of this particular chapter, we'll go for addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, then we'll solve exercise 9.1. Okay, so write fine. Thank you. Okay.